Today I have this wonderful, beautiful young lady. Her name is Erika Jordan, like the country Jordan, you know. And Erika, I cannot exist without Erika. Não posso existir sem essa moça, because she has the super innovative technology called Hyperbaric. Erika, do you mind if I ask you some scientific questions?
Sure.
What is Hyperbaric? And if you could explain to our wonderful patients at home, what is Hyperbaric? How does it work?
Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is a medical treatment that involves exposing a patient to 100% oxygen and then pressurizing them in a chamber. We call them the hyperbaric chamber. From increasing the percentage of oxygen and then hyperoxygenating the patient, that's what helps increase with healing, decrease pain, swelling, and overall help them heal faster.
As pessoas em casa podem discutir, dizer, mas Ray, o ar normal já tem oxigênio.
Well, I actually hear that a lot. People are like, well, why are you going to charge me when I'm breathing oxygen right now? But actually, we're not breathing 100% oxygen right now. We're breathing 21% oxygen, 79% other gases. Actually, 78 is nitrogen. The other 1% is, inert gases, argon, and other things like that. So even though you think you're breathing 100%, you're not.
So tell me a little something about hyperbaric and beauty. How does it make you younger and prettier?
It does that by helping you produce more collagen. That's really good for our skin. Makes our skin nice and tight. From having the extra oxygen, your hair starts growing better. Your nails are growing, and overall, from having more circulation throughout your whole body, your body's thankful for the extra oxygen. So you feel better. You have more energy, and overall, that's what makes you heal faster. And it's great to incorporate with beauty procedures.
Basically, I feel like a translator. I'm always translating. What's going on, Julie? So basically, that beautiful pair of underwear you have, okay? You got this beautiful pair of underwear for Valentine's, and you loved it, and you wore it at a special occasion, you forgot about it. You put it in a drawer, you forgot about it. You know how you go back to it 5 years later, still beautiful. But when you go like this, instead of the elastic going boing, it cracks. Your favorite pair of underwear, the elastic cracks. So that's the same thing that happens to your skin. What she just says, collagen. Collagen is like elastic. The elastic in your favorite underwear, which now has cracked. It basically brings back even more elastic. That's what collagen is. That wonderful elastic tissue doesn't let your face fall, doesn't let your tushy fall, doesn't let your breast fall. But it's not just beauty, is it? There is also a reconstructive. There's also a wonderful medicinal side to hyperbaric. And before we went on, you were telling me a wonderful, wonderful example that touches any parent, anyone, about that 3-month-old baby. Can you tell us that story?
Yes, it's actually it's a personal story about my niece. When she was born, there was issues during the labor, and when she
complicated delivery?
Complicated, exactly. When she came out, she wasn't breathing, so they called the code, did chest
compressions,
intubated her.
Significa que ela morreu. She literally, the heart stopped. That's a code.
Exactly. So they were able to...
She was dead.
Exactly. She was dead. They brought her back, they intubated her, and then she was in the NICU for about two weeks. And with the babies, they say there's possible brain damage, but you can't determine it until 3 years old, because that's when you can sedate the child.
For sure she had brain damage, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brain damage. So a child is not like an adult. We can take a little bit of punishment and we're still okay.
So at 3 months old, she wasn't developing like normal children were. She had that blank stare. She didn't have the startle reflex, the grasping reflex. So we decided to put her in the chamber. It was very controversial. We did a low pressure, lower time. Within 20 treatments, she went from a vegetative straight stare to smile on her face, holding her head up. It was amazing, the power of oxygen, how it brought it back to her brain and basically woke her up.
You guys, it's not only in severe a child was dead basically, and today she's a very bright kid. Hyperbaric then, if we had to summarize it, it's healing in fast motion. You can speed up your camera and go blah, 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 blah. Basically heals much faster. Would you give us your number here in Orlando?
My number is 407-530-0710.
Do they need a prescription from the doctor, or anyone can come?
Anyone can come, but we have a physician that's trained in hyperbaric medicine on board, so he will be able to write the prescriptions for our patients after we do a full workup on them.
You guys, I'm almost 60 and I'm simply not aging, and when no one is looking, I run to Hyperbaric. Erika, thank you so much, and thanks for being so dedicated to our patients.
Thank you so much.
And that number one more time, and the name of your Hyperbaric store?
Yes, it's a Hyperbaric Healing Treatment Center in the Dr. Phillips area of Orlando, Florida, 407-530-0710.
What's intersection is that? What corner is that?
By Sand Lake and I-4.
Just because we love you guys. All the secrets of Dr. Ray.